Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will do De Morgan's law. If A and B are the subsets of universal set U, then first is A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second is A intersection B whole complement equal to the A complement union B complement. This symbol shows the complement. And what is the complement? The complement of a set denoted A bar or AC is the set of all elements in the given universal set that are not in set A. For example, we will verify De Morgan's law if universal set elements are 1, 2, 3 up to 10. A set includes 2, 4, 6. B set includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Solution for the first part. Left hand side A union B whole complement. A union B. We will take a union of A set and B set. The resultant set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we will take the complement of this set. Complement of this set, we will subtract A union B resultant set from the universal set. The answer is 8, 9, 10. Right hand side. First we will find out the complement of A and then B complement. After that we will take intersection. A complement, that is equal to U minus A. We subtract A set from universal set. The resultant set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. B complement, that is equal to universal set minus B set. Universal set minus B set, the complement of B is equal to 8, 9, 10. Now we'll take A complement set and B complement set intersection. The intersection answer is 8, 9, 10. This is equation 2. Thus from 1 and 2 we have A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now the second law, A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. Left hand side A intersection B whole complement. First we find out A intersection B. A set and B set intersection, the common numbers, 2 elements 2, 4, 6. Now we have to find out the complement. A intersection B set subtracted from the universal set. The resultant set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's called equation 3. Right hand side A complement equal to U minus A. The resultant set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And B complement, we also subtract B set from universal set. The B complement equal to 8, 9, 10. Now we will take the union of A complement, B complement. And union of A complement, B complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's equation 4. Now from third and fourth equation we have A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union of B complement. Now exercise 1.2, verify these all laws according to the explanation. Examples. Venn diagram. Operations on sets through Venn diagram. A universal set is represented in the form of a rectangle. It is a universal set. Its subsets are represented in the form of a closed figures inside the rectangle. Adjoining figure is the representation for A subset of universal set through Venn diagram. It is a subset of universal set. Demonstration of union and intersection of three overlapping sets through Venn diagram. First is A union into B union C. In figure 1, set B union C is represented by horizontal lines. B union C represented by horizontal lines. And set A union into B union C is represented by vertical lines. These are the vertical lines. Thus A union into B union C is represented by double lines and single lines. Double lines and single lines. Second is A union B union C. In figures second, set B intersection C is represented by horizontal lines. Horizontal line these are. And set A union into B intersection C is represented by vertical lines. Vertical lines. Thus, A union into B intersection C is represented by double lines and single lines. Double lines, these are the double lines, and single lines, these are. Third, set A intersection into B union C. In figure 3, set B union C is represented by horizontal line B union C. Horizontal line we have it's represented in the lines, and set A intersection into B union C is represented by vertical lines. Thus, A intersection B union C, A intersection B union C, it is represented only by double lines in small boxes. Fourth point, A intersection to B intersection C. In figure 4, set B intersection C is represented by horizontal lines. B intersection C is represented by horizontal lines, and set in A intersection to B intersection C is represented by vertical lines. These are the vertical lines. Thus, A intersection into B intersection C is represented only by double lines. These are the double lines, horizontal and vertical. Thanks.